The secret to melt in your mouth beef? It's all about graining, baking soda, and a little marinade magic. This technique is called velveting. And here's how you do it. First, look for the grain. Those are the lines running through the meat. You want to slice across those lines and not along them. This way, you shorten the muscle fibers in the meat, making the beef more tender to chew. Next, coat the beef with baking soda. This natural tenderizer alters the meat's pH, helping to break down tough fibers. Place the beef in a bowl and ensure the beef is completely and evenly coated in baking soda. Place the beef in the refrigerator. After 30 minutes, thoroughly rinse the beef under cold running water to remove the baking soda, preventing a metallic taste. Now your beef is ready to be cooked. Enjoy delicious tenderness every time.